Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change pet pronoun in Finch. Finch allows users to personalize their digital companion in several ways, including choosing the pet's pronoun. This feature ensures that your Finch is referred to correctly throughout the app, enhancing personalization and user comfort. And in this guide we will explain how to change your Finch pet's pronoun within the Finch application. First, you need to open to the Finch app and launch the Finch app, and you will arrive at the home screen where your Finch pet is displayed. After that, you need to select in the bottom right of your profile. Once you reach into this profile dashboard, in the top right, you can see there's a small pencil icon. What you can do is select to that, and when you'll get access to the edit, select change pronouns on the bottom. And over here, you can change the pet pronoun. You can simply select he, him, she, her, or they, them as per your preference. And after you're done, simply go back and the app will now use the selected pronoun when referring to your Finch. Changing your Finch pet's pronoun is a simple personalization feature that helps tailor the app experience to your preference. Once updated, the selected pronouns will be reflected consistently throughout Finch messages and interaction. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.